Mercy has been HOH before. Venita has been HOH before.
No? No?
You actually came and told me once you're done doing that, you're free.
Free to go and take your medication.
You did not make that clear.
Because you already taking medication.
So don't come and make it seem like I just picked myself up and decided.
Venita, you cannot say you are free to go anywhere. Go where?
You look at me and say, Venita, come and finish this thing, and then after that you are free. What is the understanding of you are free?
Free? When I came to you, what were you doing?
Yes, and you met me in the shower and I said, if you want me to come out, I will come out now. Is that not what I said?
Then have you come out? Have you come out? Have you come out?
You said I'm free.
Have you come out?
You won't talk.
Have you come out?
You won't talk.
Have you come out?
You asked me to come
Have you come out?
Did you ask me to come out?
I should be telling you to come out. The ones I told you to do, did you do it? The ones I told you to do, did you do it? The ones I told you to do, did you do it?
Okay. At least we've gotten the 5th game.
The ones I told you to do, did you do it?
Cross, it's okay.
Because when I met you, you were taking your medication.
How many people have gotten up and done every sport? At least I've gotten up and I told your dumbass that I fucking have a toothache, which you know and I'm on medication for. How fucking dare you? How many people is it everybody that's gotten up to play sports? Only you miscommunicate, only you will stand here, they shake, do they crave?
He talk. He move.
No, not me, baby, don't play with me. You came and stood and told me I'm free. In my nakedness, I still face your stupid ass and said, should I come out? And you walked off like a bitch. So don't come and tell me, I'll be shading from over there. They crazy.
Are there, right? So I think we'll just do 15. I think we'll just do.
If you sit down and chair, be dragging one woman.
I think we'll do 15.